And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. You get a good view of me. That's me behind the canteen. Always enjoy this one. I have metal ones, but I only like the 19 bottles. I have about 3 or 4 different types of these. Anyway, we're going to do um, video, kind of unboxing and stuff. And I need the views. So we're going to have a little fun. Bright outside, so we could do shade. All right. Now let's see. First little unboxing. A lot of people don't know about these. Clown always have something. You see that? Something up his sleeve. And a lot of people wonder, the heck is that? That's gravity knife, folks. Okay, stabby stabby. It's slim, it's sleek. Hope you can see that. I like it. And that's a gravity knife. Okay, and you press that little lever. And the blade comes up. Real easy to use. Now, LA Prepper was wanting a good knife, so we're going to try to send him one of these. It should fit the purpose. I was looking through my old boxes. Uncle Alan has lots of boxes and lots of knives. Comes with a sheath, fits on the belt. And that should take care of most wood crafting and bushcrafting stuff. Somebody killed. That way, Uncle Alan's an old cowboy, so he prefers something like normally I carry as a kid. Now, one of these small pocket knives. Now, if you don't know what this is a single blade master barrel. It's a lockback. Not a lockback, but just a slip joint. Fits in the pocket. Got fish with it. And back in the old days, I used to carry it in the back pocket. Not to worry. Nowadays, if you carry something like this, the police will come after you and beat the living hell out of you. So I need views, folks. If you do more views for Uncle Al, please tell your friends. This, whatchamacallit, it may or may not go to LA Prepper. It could go to Matt's Prepping and Survival or New York Prepper. Another thing he wanted was, oh, this is the box that I showed you the earlier knife, the nice hunting knife. It's ready to go. We'll open it up. See, it's all set and ready to go. I'm fast. And we're going to send that to, depending if I get over 200 views and about 50 comments. So please like and subscribe to Diebulfrog79. So one of these 3 people will get a nice surprise. Hopefully LA Prepper, but I doubt it because Uncle Alan Viewpoint's not that great. I only get maybe 20 or 30 or maybe less than that. So anyway, remember, they will get something. Matt's Prepping and Survival. He likes knives. And New York Prepping. He also likes knives. And LA Prepper, well, he's a tenderfoot and he needs a knife. Anyway, and I have another one. This one, almost forgot. Take it out of the box. This is an old Hibbard. It's a throwing knife. Take that out. Put that in. And comes with a sheath. Okay. And if you ever throw knives, this is the one that's not beat up, brand new. Uncle Al used to have this at his boot knife. Uncle Al knows how to use one of these. Okay, and I could toss it pretty good. You never want to throw your knife. Well, if you want to really hurt somebody, you should throw it. So one of these bad boys is going to go out. Can't decide. And another one. I don't have the box anymore. I can't remember where I put it. But it does come with a nice nylon sheath. And this is exact same as my other boot knife. Not double edged, it's single edge, folks. So remember, if I get more views, please check out my old videos, my new videos, and stuff like that. I got this backwards again. I'll mess around with it later. I was thinking of doing Myra TCK. I don't know, a nice lady like that would like a knife. If she's watching, please holler out. Leave a message in the comment section if you want to be one of the three gentlemen that might get one of these knives, or maybe two of these knives, or maybe something else. Can't figure out yet. I need a lot of views. I can't see what these damn things are. Hey. Oh dear me. Almost 7 minutes. Okay. Anyway, take a look at that. Let me show you this again. If Myra T, I think it's TCK, if she's interested, please leave a comment. Remember, we need a bunch of people to put in comments, about 50. We need a bunch of people, about over 200, so I can give away one of these wonderful devices to the preppers I mentioned. That's Myra, that's young lady friend, young prepper friend. LA prepper who desires a knife. And who was it? Matt's Prepping and Survival, and New York Prepper. So if you think these people need a really good knife, have them mention me in their videos, or have their friends watch my videos, go see my old videos, my past videos. And yes, Jordan, I'm trying to do the Swedish video. It takes me a long time to do stuff. And if big companies would have sponsored me, or Google would bought me off for $2.5 million, Uncle Al wouldn't be using this cheapo web camera. And if these guys would sponsor me, it'd be a lot easier. But no, Uncle Al has to struggle and fight all the way. And a good fight's always a good fight. Catch you later. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.